Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Coachman VIP 520 2021 model. So for 2021, Coachman have rebranded slightly in a change of their logo that you see at the front of the caravan and also on this wonderful sign here. So that lovely new badge really signifying a new era for Coachman going into 2021. So Coachman also have gone for the two side lockers. So the right hand side there, space for two 6 kg gas bottles, and the left hand side space to put your step, steady winder, electric hookup cable and various other amenities for the caravan. The VIP range benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got the new decals introduced by Coachman in 2021 that you see coming down the side there. You've got an exterior barbecue point and exterior 240 volt socket with also exterior hatch to underneath the front couches. The VIP range also coming with an Alco secure wheel lock. So the first thing you notice as you step inside here is this nice short cupboard as you step in to put a few bits and bobs from your awning. So stepping inside, this wonderful side dinette layout, so a 3-berth caravan, but one of the great features for 2021 is that Coachman have offered the opportunity at an additional cost to convert this into a 4-berth caravan to fit in the additional bunks, converting this side section into a bunk bed. You've got the beautiful two-tone lockers going throughout the caravan. Your first point of your TV point located on the side here with further storage space above in a couple of unique shelves. You've got a wonderful medium-sized Hecky light in the front lounge and also this beautiful panoramic sunroof at the front, creating a huge amount of light coming into the caravan. Plush and high quality finish on the fabric scheme for the VIP range for 2021. Really offsets nicely against this wonderful wood grain and those beautiful curtains. The two side locker boxes have enabled Coachman to push this front chest back, creating a far better usability and space in the front lounge area. You've got your PIR sensor for the alarm located down there, and you also have a wireless charging point located here. Sideboard extension to the kitchen area, creating a fantastically large work surface. The Dinette 10 series under counter fridge, which opens on both sides, with a slightly different finish in the kitchen area and an easy usable height microwave. Omnivent also positioned in the kitchen area with plenty of storage. Combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric with pan storage located underneath. High quality finish to the sink with that glass top and beautifully finished tap. Chrome finish on the bathroom door as we're stepping back towards the rear of the caravan. You've got your command centre located above the habitation door and benefiting also from the Alder wet central heating system in this particular model. Stepping through, you've got that really high quality of finish in the bathroom. So quality sink, storage underneath, nice large vanity mirror. You've got the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, further storage above the Thetford toilet. An additional wardrobe located at the back of the caravan with a hanging rail and the Alder header tank, now with the pink 5-year liquid in it. Storage underneath in a couple of drawers located there, and also an extremely spacious individual shower cubicle. Further storage located in the bathroom area in this wonderful cabinet, just located next to the shower. So that gives you a good feel and a good understanding for what the VIP 520 2021 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour. If you have any queries or questions, feel free to get in contact with us and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.